Hey guys, so it's been a really stop, you're not funny, you're mean. So it's been a really long day. I just felt like super lightheaded and I had a really bad headache today, so I didn't film. But we got some Costco pizza and look at what came early that we can mess around with later. My Doppler came early, a day early, so
we'll have to play with that later.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can find the heartbeat. I'm 8 weeks, 6 days. Tomorrow will be 9 weeks. So if we don't find it, we're not gonna freak out. But might as well try.
Pizza!
Really cool. So yeah, we're just having some pizza.
Costco. Deliciousness.
This pizza. So we're just opening it.
Tape. Tape's never fun. I'll try not to break this in the first couple seconds.
I will kill you.
Ow, that thing hurts. I shouldn't, it's just batteries.
And then there's this part, the actual thing that you put on your stomach, and then we've got some ultrasound gel.
Ooh. Power on. Ooh, it's got a light up screen.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Cold. Aren't you gonna help me? Stop.
That is cold.
Stop touching me. Yours is very loud.
Did you? I don't even think it's on. Here, let me see it while you do that.
I don't understand.
There it is. That's your heartbeat.
No, it's not. My heartbeat is not 55 beats per minute. I'd be dead.
Babe, that's what it's like when you're relaxed.
No, it's not. Mine said that it would be 100.
Oh, it was working.
So we just tried for like a half an hour and we couldn't even get my heartbeat. Like we could not hear anything.
All you can hear is shh, and then if you
Barely. Like you can't even hear shush.
If you move it, it makes like a little sound, and that's about it.
Yeah, you're supposed to be able to hear like whooshing, and then you're supposed to like at least be able to find your heartbeat. I knew that I might not be able to find the baby's heartbeat, but I can't even find mine. I have found nothing. There was no sounds, and it's all the way up. It's just kind of like sometimes you get static, but most of the time it's nothing. So we don't understand.
And it worked for like 2 seconds, and then it quit.
So if anyone has any tips, because I can't get anything. So we've watched so many YouTube videos and read so much about it, like trying to figure out what's wrong, but like I can't even pick up anything. So like ours does not sound like everyone else's. Like when everyone else like turns it on, it's like whoosh, whoosh,
yeah,
like, and then you start hearing yours and a bunch of other sounds, and ours is just like silent. We'll see if you guys have any suggestions, but yeah, we might just need to get a new one because it's not even working. Pretty frustrating. I knew that I probably wasn't gonna find the heartbeat, but I was thinking that I was gonna hear something.
I was expecting it to at least work.
Yeah.
It should be working.
Yeah, he gets really frustrated and it's kind of hard to deal with. So, but yeah, we tried for like a half an hour to get any sort of sound. I don't know if you guys have any tips on how to work that. We have the face-like Fetal Doppler from Sonoline B, so help. So I contacted the seller like through the website, so hopefully they will either give me a new one, which I'm demanding if it's not gonna work, or they can tell me like some secret. So that's frustrating.
Yeah.
Like I figured that I wasn't gonna be able to find the heartbeat, but to not even be able to like hear anything is very frustrating. So, and we've tried everything. We've tried,
I guess we're both dead.
Using headphones. We've tried like plugging the cord, like taking it out and plugging it back in and making it sure that it's plugged in all the way. We put in brand new batteries, even though the other ones were brand new. We have tried everything. The volume is all the way turned up. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. We might just have to get another one, but frustrating.
Yeah. It's irritating when something doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
Especially when it's brand new.
Yeah, and I was so excited. Even to hear anything.
Yeah.
And I'm almost 9 weeks, so it's not like it's like, you know, some people find them like 8 weeks. So I don't know. It's just freaking frustrating. But we have an early day tomorrow, so we're gonna go to bed. Tex. No.
I'm not doing anything.
So good night.
Night.